Hello everybody, this is Bart. My name is Mike and we'd like to welcome you to my backyard garden. Today I'm going to show you what I've got going on early spring 2021. I've done a lot of plantings since the fall garden. We've got some mild jalapeno peppers here with some dahlias starting seedlings around them. Mild jalapenos, I got a ring of carrots around them, multicolored carrots. Same thing here, mild jalapenos with a ring of carrots. Got some Brussels sprouts going on. They've been doing well. We just had our first harvest the other night. It was yummy. Got some bush beans, Blue Lake. Parsley's done very well. It's the taller side, the back side is from last spring, and I planted this little bit in the around September. You see it just this time of year, it just thrives. I planted some white corn. It's coming in a bit fairly well. I'm happy with it. I got some more of those multicolored carrots all through here. Some cilantro turning into culantro. Planted some marigold seedlings throughout the garden. Add some color and hopefully to keep away some of the bugs that we may encounter. Dill plant I planted in September. Got a lot off that. Made some nice tzatziki out of it, as well as using in some sauces. This monstrosity of jelly bean tomato plant were two seeds that fell in from the fruit I planted last spring. I let them germinate in the fall, and it's just taken over this part of the garden. I don't like that part of it, but I think about cutting it back, removing it, but it's so full of fruit. I just can't see wasting all that fruit, so I'm gonna have to adapt to my plan. That pepper plant here is being crowded out, but it's a red bell pepper and it's got a few peppers on it. Pineapple still recovering, but recovering from the cold damages we had this past winter. I planted some marigolds there. This is the same tomato that I just showed you on that huge vine. It's just it fell in, sprouted, it's doing well. I'm letting it go. A couple marigolds and the pineapples in the middle. More pineapple. That's about it I got going on, guys. Bart and I want to thank you for hanging out with us in my backyard garden. Please like the video if you did so, or if you found it entertaining at all. And please subscribe. It helps the channel out very much so. Thank you and take care.